Hey, how's it going? All right, so back again with another DIY recipe review. This one is rice milked by Rude Rudy. This recipe is on all the flavors. The link will be in the description. Let's take a look at what he says. He says one-on-one milk is described as a sweet and creamy rice milk flavor. That's exactly what it is. He says it's very creamy, has a fabulous mouthfeel with a touch of light cooked rice. He also used Capella cinnamon sugar because he just wanted a light cinnamon note in the background. And he used FA bourbon vanilla because it adds a wonderful, bold, deep and rich, clean vanilla flavor to round it off. Now the recipe, 1% vanilla bourbon from Flavor Art, 1% Capella cinnamon sugar, and 5% one-on-one rice milk. Now, this is kind of nitpicky. One thing I do want to say, he says it's great after 3 days, and after 5, it'll please even more. He's got the steep days set at 4. Like I said, that's kind of picky. But it is what it is. Put a little bit of this on my OG drop. 80 watts on the Vupu drag. 0.13 ohms, dual tri-core stainless steel Claptons. I made this on the 24th of December. So that's 7, it's been steeping for 10 days. I made this because I've been chasing a profile like this, just a good rice pudding. And I haven't found it yet. I had real good hopes for this one. So let's see what we get. Okay, so I get quite a different take on this. In my Fire-Luke mesh coil tank, it's kind of harsh and give very little to no flavor out of it at all. I can taste the cinnamon. The cinnamon note in the background is fairly nice. It's very light. But I don't get any vanilla or anything. Now, off of the drop, I do get some vanilla. I do get some creaminess. The cinnamon is still there, but the rice note in this, the creamy note in this is just funky. So it's creamy, but there's an off flavor to it. So unfortunately, this for me is not one for the road. Now, all that being said, taste is subjective. Rude Rudy, if you like it, man, keep vaping. Whatever it takes to keep you off the stinkies. Anyway, that's what I got for this one. If y'all have a recipe that you would like me to mix and review, vapingtrucker01@gmail.com. Send them in and I'll mix them up. I've got plenty of time on my hands these days. So until next time, y'all, stay safe, keep on trucking, keep on vaping.